How do neuroprosthetics work? Your body is made up of approximately 200 different types of cells. Different cells have different jobs to do. Red blood cells deliver oxygen to the body. Skin cells provide protection from the environment. And nerve cells transmit information between different parts of the body. When you think about moving your arm to eat an apple or an orange, your nervous system gets involved. A neuronal signal from the brain moves down the spinal cord and through the peripheral nerves to the muscles in your limb. But what if you lose a limb? Most prosthetics we see today are called body-powered prosthetics. Body-powered prosthetic limbs are controlled by cables connecting them to elsewhere on the body. For example, a prosthetic arm can be controlled through a cable attached with a strap or harness to the opposite healthy shoulder. The working shoulder is then moved in certain ways to control the prosthetic device, similar to how you might use a hand lever on your bike to control the brakes. But scientists have been working on something better, a prosthetic limb that uses the same process that you and I use, our nerves. Scientists and doctors can use a process called targeted muscle reinnervation, or TMR. TMR surgery moves major nerves originally used to carry the signals for motion of the hand, wrist, or elbow. These nerves are reassigned to the pectoral muscle, which is located on your chest, and within 6 months, the reassigned nerves are fully connected. However, the surgery alone is not enough. An advanced prosthetic arm must also be fitted and sized to the patient for optimal results. The prosthesis contains a tiny computer called a microprocessor that uses algorithms to translate electrical signals that come from the electrodes. The electrodes act like antennas to pick up the EMG signal coming from the pectoral muscle. With the prosthetic arm in place, the user imagines or thinks about moving their missing limb. Nerves send the signals from the brain to the new targeted muscle, and the muscle contracts. These contractions release an electrical signal. Electrodes carefully selected and placed against the skin recognize these signals and, with the aid of the microprocessor, translate them into the desired movement, thus allowing the patient to move the prosthetic arm by simply thinking about it.